I think that to look back on like Gobi Partners is actually a venture capital firm, and then mainly we're doing early stage to growth stage investment. So we were one of the earliest US dollar fund, setting up the US dollar fund in Shanghai actually back in 2002. So more than 20 years ago. And so and later on, we were also doing RMB funds as well. But I would say at the very beginning, mostly we were investing in the internet companies, TMT, consumer, some of the early days, which are focusing on the new models, the early days of the internet opportunities in China. But I also seeing that probably around 2017-18, our RMB fund was a little bit slowed down. And then we were still doing a lot of US dollar funds activity. But these days, we probably in the last couple of years, we were coming back and to still fundraising for the new RMB fund. The reason is being because I think it's the mix of the LP becoming very different in the market right now. We were seeing that probably 90% of the investment done with RMB, they are coming from the local guiding fund, state-owned enterprises, insurance. Most of the LP are actually domestic, and they're here for long term as well. So they're willing to give more patient capitals right now. They're looking to being okay to invest for 8 to 12 years. So comparing to in the past, they definitely thinking more long term. I think because right now in most of the area in China, if for example the advanced semiconductor, the LLMs, the quantum computings, the space tech. Most of this investments or these sectors, they are more RMB prefer. So by using sometimes they're not preferring US dollar funding. Even the LP are okay to exchange the money or using the QFLP way to invest. They still prefer pure RMB, pure also RMB investor as well. So that's why that is becoming very interesting. As a VC, we have to still keeping the US dollar fund and also the RMB fund because it's strategically important for us to also having an RMB fund, for us to do not miss on the next unicorns in China, next deep tech companies in China. So I was seeing that strategically we need to keep the RMB fund, but the LP for the RMB fund or the LP for our funds, the mix or the persona is a little bit already big difference in the past, maybe comparing to 10 years ago. So as a VC, we also need to learn how to deal with the new type of LP, especially the local government, especially the SOE. They would have their preference on the investment side and also on the exit. I think for the exit right now, the US dollar investor, they still prefer the exit happening in NASDAQ, in Hong Kong, right? Hong Kong IPO. But versus the RMB investor, they prefer actually to exit locally. So on that, we also need to pay attention to. So yeah, I would say it's a lot difference.